Welcome back to World of Marketing News. I'm Jessica Taveras, and we'll be discussing a major leak in Google's documentation. Information regarding the inner workings of the Google algorithm have come to light. These documents are accurate as of March 2024 and allegedly come from former Googlers in the search giant's Content API warehouse. The leak lays out elements that are important to the ranking factors for Google's search algorithm, but doesn't shed any light regarding the weight each factor is given. Many elements of the algorithm were brought to light that were once nebulous or up for debate. Examples include third-party links, successful versus unsuccessful clicks, Google's ability to understand entities involved in content, site authority, and the need for an overall strong brand awareness outside of Google search. Third-party links are important. How important is not clear, but Google has previously made it known that links are not a top 3 factor in the algorithm. Clicks have always been known to be a factor of the formula, but how they are treated hasn't always been apparent. Google appears to process click-throughs from the SERP through 4 different references in its code: good clicks, bad clicks, last to longest clicks, and squashed clicks. Good clicks are considered to be when a user clicks on a result and has no need to return to the SERP in favor of another result. These are the best clicks a website can get, and it's apparent the more you can get, the better your ranking will be. Entities have been known to be an important part of Google's ability to understand what is being talked about in articles. What you may not have known is the algorithm is looking at author data to see if a known entity is the source of the article's information. High-profile entities authoring content appear to carry more weight. Site authority is one of the more hazy concepts to be covered in the documentation leak. Google has denied the existence of a site-wide authority ranking in the past, but alluded to the presence of a similar factor over 10 years ago. Its presence in the leak suggests there is more to this factor than Google has previously led on. Low site authority can be countered by removing low-quality content from a site, i.e. creating content that is unique and keeps users from returning to the SERP after reading. Brand awareness is actually a topic we've discussed in a previous episode of World of Marketing News. Many websites owners fail to realize their brand is an entity itself. Strong brand awareness, presence outside of search, and multi-platform outreach within the brand's market and location are all necessary to gaining traction with Google's algorithm. An interesting development that came out of the leak is the reference to Chrome data in the API's documentation. Google appears to be using data that is collected by its Chrome browser to affect the algorithm and websites' rankings. We believe there's more information on that to come, but as of right now, we know that it is referenced within the algorithm's code. A few other elements were found in the leak that allude to publicly known to affect the algorithm, such as domain whitelistings, user reviews, presence of explicit material, domain redirects, and the physical location of entities associated with content. However, it's clear the algorithm's ranking is far more nuanced than Google has previously explained. Working with a marketing team that understands the small and large aspects of a search engine's inner workings is key to success in organic visibility online. Working with an agency that specializes in multi-platform, omni-channel marketing strategies can help your website empower its content, build its brand awareness, and ensure it's being referenced by third parties to optimize your site authority and entities associated with your content. Consider our sponsor, Foster Web Marketing, for these services. Foster Web Marketing will provide a free SEO and website design consultation to help you understand the gaps in your user experience and organic visibility strategies. That's it for this week of World of Marketing News. Be sure to hit subscribe, like, and comment to keep the conversation going. Until next time, I'm Jessica Taveras, signing off.